Alright. Okay, so before we start, let's take a moment to appreciate this red spot and the fact that I have one eyeliner. Okay, so today we're gonna be making cookies. Okay, it's also been a while that I made a YouTube video. I tried making a baking video before. I tried making a baking video before to celebrate having 105 views on a YouTube video. It wasn't good content, but I'll post it right now. Okay. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be making, and hopefully it's good. It better be good. I mean, it's cookies. Alright, now we're gonna get started. Alright, I got the ingredients, and I have the stuff. Okay, so we're going to be doing a Q&A while doing this. I'm gonna be Qing and I'm gonna be A. First, what is my name? My name is Brittany. I don't really like my name. You know what? I don't get why my mom decided to name me after a white pop star in the early 2000s. Where are you from? I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. That's why I'm wearing a Harvard shirt. How tall am I? I'm 5'7", I think. Yeah, I think I'm 5'7". How many siblings do I have? I have one, but I'm pretty sure I have another one, but I don't know. What is your channel about? I don't know. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? I'm gonna answer that. Where do you see yourself in your YouTube in 5 years? Well, I don't see my YouTube going anywhere in 5 years, but in 5 years, I plan to become TikTok famous. Oh, that actually smells really good. Oh, what is your best physical feature? My legs. What is your eye color? Brown. Are you a good cook? Yeah. What is the worst grade you got on a test? I mean, like a 5. I know, I'm Bijan. I'm not Asian, I'm Bijan. Okay, you can't see my face, but I'm just gonna take you through the cooking process. I am in the 10th grade. Even though I don't need to drive yet, I don't even know how to drive. It's okay. Since I don't know how to drive, my mom and sister can't make me drive, so I get to chill in the back. Yeah. Which animal scares me? Dogs scare me, actually. One time when I was younger, I was at this kids thing, and there was a dog, a big dog, and the dog ran over me and like pushed me over, and everyone ran after the dog, like, you know, like, oh, so cute. No, they left me alone, and that's why I don't like dogs. Oh my god. Do you love dancing? Yes. Now I'm gonna pour the chocolate chips in. That's a lot, but okay, you know what? I think this might be too much. As a wise man said, go big or go home. I go home, but you know, in this case more. So these are gonna be a little uneven, but it's okay. No cookie is perfect. They're ready to bake. So, I don't know how I feel about the cookies. Let's check the other one real quick. I'm gonna make sure these cook better than the other ones. And hopefully they do. And let's keep our fingers that it still tastes pretty good. So, this is my outro. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. I will not be promising another video next week. Probably make another video maybe next month, but we'll see by then. Alright, bye. Did it cover? Okay, bye.
Hello, my baby.
Hey,
hello,
whoa, yo.
Hello, my ragtime pal.
Hit him. No big. Hey, you finna die, baby. Police. like a chicken and biscuit. Beast of the West, get you jumping like crickets. No. Unless the head too good, then I might bust in a minute.